Did you know that the way you care for your skin after 50 can make you look years older or instantly younger? The truth is, it's not about expensive creams or complicated treatments. It's about 7 simple daily habits that transform dull, tired skin into radiant, youthful glow. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt older than you truly are, this video will show you how to change that starting today. When women cross into their 50s, something subtle yet undeniable begins to happen. You look in the mirror, and the reflection feels just a little different from the person you carry inside. The sparkle in your eyes is still there, the laughter and curiosity remain alive, but the skin, your most visible expression of time, begins to tell its own story. Fine lines stretch across the forehead, crow's feet emerge more prominently around the eyes, and a certain dullness replaces the natural glow you once took for granted. Many women accept these changes as inevitable, but what most don't realize is that with the right daily habits, it's possible to restore vibrancy, freshness, and radiance at any age. Skincare is not about chasing youth. It's about bringing forward the vitality that is still within you, waiting to shine. The very first habit that makes an enormous difference is consistent cleansing. It sounds simple, yet it is the most neglected step among women over 50. Throughout the day, our skin collects dirt, oils, sweat, and environmental pollutants. At night, if these impurities are not removed, they clog pores, dull the skin's natural tone, and accelerate the breakdown of collagen. For mature skin, cleansing is not just about removing makeup. It's about creating a clean, balanced surface where the skin can breathe and regenerate. Imagine washing the dust off a precious painting and suddenly seeing the colors underneath sparkle again. That is what proper cleansing does for your face. A gentle cleanser, not one that strips natural oils, is the secret here. Over-cleansing with harsh soaps can make mature skin dry and fragile, while a balanced cleanser keeps it supple and refreshed. Equally powerful, yet often overlooked, is deep hydration. As the years pass, the skin's natural ability to retain moisture diminishes, which is why many women find their faces feeling drier, tighter, and more sensitive than before. This dryness exaggerates wrinkles, making them appear deeper and more pronounced. But when the skin is properly hydrated, those same lines soften, the complexion appears smoother, and a healthy, youthful plumpness returns. Hydration is not just about slathering on cream. It's about choosing the right moisturizer that locks water into the skin while still letting it breathe. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or natural oils can work wonders. Think of your skin like a sponge. When it's dry, it cracks and shrinks, but when it's filled with water, it becomes supple and smooth. Keeping your skin hydrated is like keeping that sponge full, always soft, flexible, and radiant. Another transformative habit is daily sun protection. Many women in their youth worshipped the golden tan, never realizing the hidden cost it would bring later. Decades of sun exposure silently damaged the skin's structure, breaking down collagen and elastin, and leaving behind dark spots, rough texture, and sagging. Even if you've never been a sun worshipper, ordinary daily exposure while driving, walking, or sitting by a window still adds up. The habit of applying sunscreen every single morning, rain or shine, is one of the most powerful age-defying practices you can adopt. Think of it as armor for your face, shielding you from the invisible rays that cause the skin to age faster than it should. Women who commit to this habit often notice fewer new wrinkles, brighter tone, and even a reversal of some sun damage over time. It's also vital to recognize the role of nighttime repair. While you sleep, your skin works harder than at any other time of day. It is during these hours that cells regenerate, collagen rebuilds, and repair processes unfold naturally. Giving your skin the right support at night, through nourishing creams or serums rich in antioxidants and retinol, accelerates these processes. It's almost like putting your skin into a gentle restoration mode every evening, ensuring that when you wake, it looks refreshed rather than depleted. Skipping this step is like planting a seed and never watering it. The potential is there, but the nourishment is missing. Each of these habits, when practiced consistently, is less about fighting time and more about aligning with it. The years will always pass, but how they show on your skin is within your control more than you realize. Women who build these rituals into their daily lives don't just notice physical improvements. They also notice a shift in how they feel. Their morning reflection no longer feels like a stranger, but once again feels aligned with the youthful energy they carry inside. Their confidence grows, their smile feels brighter, and their skin becomes a mirror of the vitality that was always there. True skincare after 50 is not about chasing perfection. It's about creating harmony between the wisdom of age and the beauty of radiance. It's a declaration that you value yourself enough to care for your body's largest organ. And through that care, you reclaim not just years of appearance, but years of self-respect. Imagine waking up tomorrow, touching your cheek, and feeling softness instead of dryness, seeing glow instead of dullness, and watching the face in the mirror reflect the same energy you feel when you laugh, love, and live. That is what these simple habits bring, a reflection that matches the spirit within. One of the most powerful but underestimated ways to transform skin after 50 is through the gentle art of exfoliation. As the years pass, skin's natural cell turnover slows down dramatically. When you are young, fresh cells rise to the surface every few weeks, giving the skin its healthy glow. But over time, dead cells cling stubbornly to the outer layer, leaving the face looking dull, uneven, and tired. This is why so many women look in the mirror and see a lackluster tone that no amount of moisturizer seems to fix. The solution is not another cream layered on top of lifeless cells, but gently sweeping those layers away. Exfoliation clears the path for new, radiant skin to shine through. It can be as simple as using a mild chemical exfoliant with lactic acid or glycolic acid a few times a week, or a soft scrub that polishes without scratching. The key is consistency and gentleness, not harsh overuse. Done right, exfoliation brightens the complexion, smooths fine lines, and makes every product that follows work more effectively. But glowing skin is not built on surface care alone. What happens inside the body shows on the outside, and nowhere is this more obvious than in the role of nutrition. Women over 50 often discover that the foods they once enjoyed without thought now affect their skin's health, radiance, and even elasticity. Processed sugars and heavy refined foods inflame the body, accelerating aging and contributing to sagging skin. On the other hand, whole foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids nourish the skin from within. Think of salmon providing essential oils to keep the skin supple, blueberries delivering antioxidants to fight free radicals, or leafy greens giving the skin a natural detox. Every bite is either feeding life into your cells or draining it away. Drinking enough water, too, is more than a cliché. It's a lifeline. Hydrated skin cells are plump and resilient, while dehydrated cells shrink, exaggerating lines and dullness. A consistent habit of nourishing your body with the right foods and fluids is a skincare routine in itself, one that begins long before a drop of serum touches your face. Another habit that cannot be ignored is the commitment to restorative sleep. While it is tempting to push through late nights, especially in an age when screens glow endlessly, sleep is the ultimate natural skincare treatment. During the deep stages of sleep, growth hormones trigger cell repair and renewal. This is when collagen is rebuilt, when micro-damages from the day are healed, and when the skin restores its vitality. Skipping this crucial time is like skipping the gardener who tends the garden. Without it, weeds grow and flowers wilt. Women who cultivate healthy sleep routines, a darkened room, consistent bedtime, limited screens before sleep, notice not only fewer wrinkles, but also a brighter, calmer complexion. Their skin reflects rest, just as tired skin reflects stress. Stress itself is another hidden enemy of youthful skin. Constant worry, tension, and emotional fatigue show up in more ways than we realize. Stress hormones like cortisol break down collagen and elastin, speeding up the formation of wrinkles and sagging. They also disrupt the skin's ability to heal and defend against irritations. This is why women under chronic stress often look older than their years, no matter how carefully they moisturize or cleanse. A skincare habit that makes an extraordinary difference is not a product but a practice. Intentional relaxation. Meditation, deep breathing, gentle yoga, or even a walk in nature lowers stress hormones, allowing the skin to heal instead of constantly fighting invisible battles. When stress softens, the face naturally looks more open, fresh, and vibrant. It is also crucial to understand the importance of avoiding the wrong products. Many women in their 50s still cling to formulas that worked in their 20s, not realizing that those same products may now be doing harm. Harsh cleansers strip vital oils that mature skin desperately needs. Alcohol-heavy toners leave the skin irritated and dry. Overly fragranced creams can trigger sensitivities that become more common with age. The habit of checking ingredients, choosing gentler formulas, and listening to how the skin responds is an act of self-care that saves years in appearance. Mature skin thrives on kindness, not aggression. When treated with respect, gentle hydration, balanced cleansing, nourishing serums, it rewards you with resilience and glow. These habits may sound simple, yet when woven together into daily life, they create something extraordinary. Each step, exfoliation, nutrition, sleep, stress management, wise product choices, acts like a thread. Alone, one thread may not hold much, but woven together, they form a strong fabric that supports your beauty through the years. Women who practice these consistently often share that their friends comment not on a single change, but on an overall radiance that seems to have returned. Their faces no longer look weighed down by fatigue or age. Instead, they appear alive, fresh, and in harmony with their spirit. The skin is the body's storyteller, and with the right habits, that story does not have to be one of decline. It can be a story of renewal, of honoring the body, of reflecting the strength and wisdom that comes with age while still carrying a glow that makes people pause and notice. The face becomes not just a canvas of time, but a celebration of care, discipline, and love. Each gentle habit whispers the same truth. Beauty does not fade with years. It evolves, and with the right choices, it evolves gracefully. One of the most overlooked yet profoundly effective habits for radiant skin after 50 is the regular use of antioxidants. Every single day, the skin is attacked by free radicals, unstable molecules from pollution, stress, and even normal metabolic processes. Left unchecked, they cause oxidative stress, breaking down collagen and leaving behind dullness, spots, and wrinkles. Antioxidants are like silent warriors, neutralizing those free radicals before they cause harm. When applied topically through serums with vitamin C, vitamin E, or green tea extracts, they brighten the complexion, even outtone, and give skin that natural glow we often associate with youth. And when consumed through foods like berries, nuts, and green vegetables, they strengthen the body's defenses from the inside out. The glow you see on someone who nourishes themselves with antioxidants isn't just cosmetic. It is a reflection of a body shielded and protected. Equally powerful, though often underestimated, is the habit of facial massage. Over time, as skin loses elasticity and facial muscles weaken, blood circulation slows, leaving the face looking tired and drawn. Gentle massage stimulates blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients directly to the skin's surface. It helps drain excess fluid, reducing puffiness around the eyes and jawline. Just 5 minutes of upward strokes with clean hands or using a jade roller or gua sha tool can visibly lift the face and restore vitality. Think of it as exercise for the skin. Just as the body grows stronger when muscles are moved, the face too responds to this attention with renewed firmness and glow. Women who adopt this practice often find not only physical benefits, but also a soothing sense of relaxation. The act itself becomes a daily ritual of connection, a pause in a busy life that brings calm as well as beauty. Consistency, above all else, is the true secret. Many women start new routines with enthusiasm only to abandon them weeks later when results aren't immediate. But skincare is like tending a garden. Water it daily, and you may not see growth overnight, yet one day you step outside and realize the flowers are blooming. In the same way, the face responds slowly, steadily, and faithfully to care that is repeated. Cleansing once a week won't erase years of buildup. Hydrating only occasionally won't restore elasticity. Sunscreen applied sporadically won't undo decades of sun exposure. The transformation comes not from grand gestures, but from small, daily acts done with devotion. Women who commit to these rituals discover that 6 months later, their reflection looks younger, not because of a miracle, but because of consistency. Another dimension, often forgotten in the conversation about youthful skin, is the role of inner well-being. Skincare is not only about creams and serums, it is about the life that animates the body. Smiling, laughter, and joy physically soften the face in ways no product can replicate. On the other hand, bitterness, worry, and negativity etch themselves into expressions that age us far more quickly. The habit of cultivating gratitude, finding moments of joy, and surrounding oneself with positivity radiates outward, giving the skin a subtle brightness that no cosmetic line could ever sell. True beauty has always been an interplay of inner and outer habits, and those who care for both glow in a way that is undeniable. When we weave together these practices, antioxidants to shield, massage to rejuvenate, consistency to sustain, and inner joy to illuminate, we discover that skincare is not merely a routine, but a form of self-respect. It is a declaration that age does not define beauty, that radiance is possible at every stage of life. Women who take this path do not try to erase the years, but to honor them, allowing their skin to tell a story of care, discipline, and pride rather than neglect. Their beauty is not forced, it is nurtured, and because of that, it feels authentic and timeless. Picture yourself months from now, having embraced these habits. You wake up, glance into the mirror, and instead of focusing on lines or flaws, you see freshness. Your skin feels smooth to the touch, your tone looks brighter, your face feels alive again. The reflection is no longer weighed down by time, but lifted by care. It's not about looking 20 again. It's about looking like the best, most vibrant version of yourself right now. That confidence, that glow, draws people in. They notice not only how you look, but how you carry yourself, and they wonder what your secret is. The secret is simple. It's not about chasing youth or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about choosing habits that honor your skin, your body, and your spirit. Cleansing gently, hydrating deeply, protecting daily, nourishing wisely, resting fully, relaxing often, and embracing consistency. These are not fads, they are timeless truths. And when lived day after day, they transform not just your appearance, but your sense of self. Age will always move forward, but how it shows on your skin is something you can influence every single day. The choice is yours, to let the years write their story unchallenged, or to write your own story, one of strength, radiance, and timeless beauty. With the right habits, you don't simply look younger, you live younger, carrying a glow that no calendar can take away.